Hello friends, this is Samuel once again from Sony Tech and welcome to part 2 of our series. Alright, so in this one we're looking at text inputs inside of React Native. Please be sure to subscribe if you are new here. Please like this video, please share and subscribe. Okay, so welcome back. Okay, so essentially the text input component allows the user to input text. Okay, so it's just like an input inside the web. So to add a text input, you import text inputs like so from React Native, and it's a self-closing tag. So we do this and we do text inputs and we close, and it accepts some props. So let me save this. So when I save this, and you realize that nothing shows here, but when I put my mouse pointer below, the keyboard should appear. Okay, so to make it more visible, let me add a placeholder prop. So we can do enter your name, thank you GitHub Copilot, and we can do placeholder text color, and you can set this to black, so 0000. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add some styling here. So I'm going to do styles.input. So let me pop in the styles. Okay, so now let's save. So essentially what I just did was I had height 55 and border color of black and border width of 1 and padding of 10 and border radius and width. Okay, so great. Okay, so let's look at some additional props. So you see that when I type this, it shows what I've typed. Right, great. Okay, so to add a password feature, we have this prop called secure text entry, and we can set this to, it's a boolean, so whether true or false. So when I save this and I type something like, let's say Sunny, you see that it changes to become the full stop. Great. So now let's do something more interesting. So now let's make use of states. So I'm going to do use state. I'm going to do const, and I'm going to say name and set name. I'm going to set that to Sunny. Okay, so the text input prop has this function called onChange, which is just like in web, but this is called onChange text. So essentially what GitHub Copilot has given me here is that this onChange text prop accepts or makes way for you to pass an anonymous function. Okay, so this can be anything essentially. So we are making use of this use state here. So we are saying that whatever is inside of this name. Okay, let me come down here and do something interesting here so you see what I'm trying to explain. So let me say my name is, and in here I pass in name, and here text. Okay, so when I save, it should output my name is Sunny. So now when I type something else, okay, let me make it more, let me get rid of this, or let me set this to false, and I save, and I come here and I type John. So you see it changes to my name is John. Alright, great. So there's this other prop called the multi-line prop. So we have multi-line, and okay, let me see for now. So we have auto capitalize, so none. So some of these props are platform specific, so I mean iOS or Android. So I'll show you that in documentation. So with the multi-line prop, when I press enter, okay, let me see. So like let's see, I type and I press enter. I can continue to type and press enter. Okay, so we can also do the number of lines, and we can set that to like say 4, and I save. So I type. Oh, okay, so let me save, and I come here and I type. So it works same. Alright, so guys, essentially this is all for text inputs. Let me go back to the documentation and walk you through some stuff. Okay, so let's go to the prop side or the prop section. So we have the multi-line, number of lines, and we have the max length, and these are all the props available. Where's the platform specific? So we have autocorrect. You can set that to true or false. It's a platform specific prop. I'm trying to find that for you. Okay, so we have this too. Okay, let me get rid of this and this and do keyboard type. So I can press Ctrl space bar. You see we have default, you have numeric. So let's try it numeric. So essentially this is just going to allow you to type numbers. So this is for phone number inputs and stuff like that. So when I do okay, so Control space bar, so we have the email address type. Yeah, so self-explanatory. So you see there's an @ sign here. Okay, so guys, thanks so much for watching this one. See you in the next one.